Today we're going to do something really spectacular, a fried chicken dish with buttermilk sriracha dipping sauce and cornbread. So I'm going to take some sriracha, mix into my buttermilk, and this is actually the marinade for the chicken. And we just want that to sit as long as possible. If you can do it the night before, great. Cover it with plastic wrap, leave it in the refrigerator. I've got flour, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Mix them together. Okay, excess off, excess, well, buttermilk so it's not too wet, making a mess. Mix in the flour, all that seasoning, get it nice and covered. Do one more into the buttermilk, back into the flour. Shake the excess off. Be careful when you put the chicken in. So the oil should be around 350 to 365, and you cook this chicken for about 12 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, we're gonna make our sriracha dipping sauce. So it starts with Worcestershire sauce, buttermilk, sour cream, sriracha, mayonnaise, mix those together, a little bit of garlic, and some lemon juice. Mix that together, and this is our dipping sauce. So at this point, been 12 minutes, I'm gonna take my chicken out, and you'll be able to see how golden brown, I mean, just look how golden brown that is. I'm letting my chicken sit on absorbent paper. It's not gonna go cold, it's gonna continue to cook. Now we're gonna make our cornbread. I'm gonna add cornmeal, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar. You know, I want to make sure that's all incorporated, because if it's not mixed correctly, it could be a disaster. Into a second bowl, we're going to start with buttermilk, melted butter, and eggs. Whisk that together. So I've got my buttermilk, my eggs, my melted butter, and I've got my dry mix here. I'm going to incorporate the two together. I'll add a little bit. Get all the lumps out first. Make sure there's no dry bits in the middle. A little salt, a little pepper. I'm going to take a little bit of oil. Just make sure that this pan is completely wiped with oil. In goes our cornbread mixture. Give it a little tap. Into our oven that's preheated, 425 degrees. Don't skimp on the chicken. Fried chicken with buttermilk sriracha dipping sauce and cornbread. Easy and simply delicious.